You're beautiful, you're handsome, you're awesome.
Bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been like 2 months I don't make a video. Oh my god, I'm gonna forget my words. I'm gonna forget my intro. Let's start it again. So, bonjour everybody, hope you're great and welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you don't know me, what's up? I'm OsvalDior and hope you are great. Yes. Oh my god, did I miss you? I'm so busy. I'm so sorry, but you can follow me on TikTok, OsvalDior. Forgive me some love because I do beautiful transition about Oslana and everything like that. You should follow me on TikTok, on Instagram as well. I'm more active on this social media because on video, oh my god, I'm very busy. I go to the school, I have to eat, and I have my babies there, my dogs. They're not there, but they're sleeping there. So today, like you can see, you can read on the title. Oh my god, it's gonna be a while I don't do a video, so I don't know how to express myself, I mean. Oh, I have so much stuff to tell you, but let's go to the focus about the title. Like you can see, oh my god, you can see, oh, I have so much like new stuff to tell you, like the background come through. Who's gonna come in here? Me, Oslana. Walk, bitch, walk. You can see the background, it's amazing. A friend of mine just bought that for me, of course, for my birthday. Oh my god, I have this one and I have the workroom. Oh my god, amazing. If you see me on TikTok, you can see I always gonna use it as backgrounds. Ooh, I'm so excited to talk to you guys. Hope you are great. Hope you are fine. Oh my god, I look so gorgeous like this. Oh my god, look that wig. Mamma mia, amazing. What do you think about this makeup? It's very unnatural makeup. You can see this is OsvalDior when they go out, etc. Because yeah, I look good. I look fine. This is not a matter. Just like I miss you guys. I don't make a lot of video. I know, but follow me on TikTok and Instagram and ask me all questions if you want it. I'm gonna respond to each of you, but be careful of yourself. God is always with us, so be careful of you. And then start about this video right now. Okay. Like you can read on the title, of course, we're gonna unboxing this 3 Dyson. I just bought it. Yes, 3 Dyson. Oh my god, Dyson, for real. 3 Dyson here. I'm gonna unbox it for a few. I know you have a lot of reveal about unboxing, but this is my version. And you know, if you like my version, you can keep and see this video. If you already see the unboxing of Dyson or my opinion, because future hairdresser come through, because I told you I do some course for be hairdresser, makeup artist and hair artist. Why not 2 combinations together? But bang, this is me with all this beauty creativity. I gotta make it for you, face, hair, everything you want. I can do it for you. Oh my gosh, shout out to Ariana Grande with this voice. I don't know which one you want unboxing, because I have a different one. I have a limited edition. I have the brand new, so I don't know what it started with the price. How come 3 I bought it one shot? Because oh my god, if you live in Montreal like me, shout out to all Montrealers. I was waiting for the Sephora spring sale, like 25% everything, so I'm gonna buy it all this 3. But after I'm said, oh, hold up, because this store, they can have it more point. With the more point, I can exchange the dollars. So this is, oh my god, it was amazing. It was a great deal about it. So can you believe it? I buy 1,000 of these 3, $100. My god, $100 of Dyson. Can you imagine that? So that's why I bought it all the 3. So I'm gonna open, I don't know, I'm so excited for that. So you know this video is gonna be unboxing, but I'm gonna try, of course, with some friends for see if it's worth it and everything like that. I'm gonna do comparison for this Dyson and the other regular like toys, but I wanna see if it's worth it or not because the price, because it's expensive, it's Dyson, it's new technology. So I'm gonna open, I don't know which one. It's like Christmas here, I don't know where to start it. Let's start it with this one. So this one is the Dyson CORALLE. I don't know if it's in French, but I'm gonna say it in French. CORALLE. So this one is the straightener. Yeah, because I have in French fer plat. But this one is straightener with flexing plate. Whatever. It's a straightener. This one is 649 Canadian. Yes, it's expensive, a lot of money. What I like it about this one is I don't need the cable like next to it. Let's open like this. I'm so like, ooh, excited about that. Let's open it like this. Brand new, beautiful. With the price, give me luxury, of course. And they have the code here because you have to sign up in Dyson.com or .ca for your guarantee of 2 years. So this is the box. Natural box. I'm gonna kick you out. Okay, so that's how they can open. Oh, okay. Is that gonna fall? Are you too, when you open some new stuff, you just like smelling? That's me. I can't relate. So this is what it looks like. Oh my god. First impression, girls. In here you have the charger. And here too. I think you have to put it this. Oh my god. I'm so excited to try this one on my wigs on a person too. Oh, perfect. And then here you put it here. Oh my god. So pretty. And this one is the straightener. Oh, they come with a beautiful bag. Gorgeous. This is what it looks like. Hope it's great. Don't worry, we're gonna compare another video like this one with another one, and we will see if it's worth it or not. The price, because you see, $649 Canadian dollar. It's a lot, it's a lot, it's a lot. Perfect. So you can close it like this. Oh, okay. And then you can open like this. Truly, it looks like so luxury, for be honest. Wow, it's not that heavy. Oh my god, I can do it like, it's not that heavy. What I like it the most is I don't have all the cables gonna be together. The dust bag, I love it. I'm gonna keep it on the side. Next one. Let's open this one. Dyson AIRWRAP. Oh my god, this is what it looks like. I have it, the volume and shape. And this is what it looks like. And this one is $649 because they have the $699. It's all complete style. But I just choose one. The difference is because they have, I think, one of this and one of that. I think so. Oh my god, it's so big. Can someone help? Ah! Can someone help me? I can just drop it. Oh, the case is pretty. 2 times up for the packaging. You know I'm a huge fan of packaging, and this one is pretty. Love it. Now you can see the inside is look like this. Very organizer. Oh my god, so pretty. Let me open like this. Oh my god. Hello. Can you hear me? So this one I have to see some tutorial about it because this is look like a little bit more complicated. But no, I think this is for the brush, for giving like more straightener, and this one for give it like the curly. They have one size and for the left and the other side for the right, and they have this one. This one is like a mini blow dry or what? I have to try. Or maybe it's the magnetic. I don't know. Totally like it's too much. Dyson, they go too far with the technology. Like I don't know what is it. And this one, oh, this one is good. This one's for people who have like thick hair. But next one I have, of course, the classic one. So this one is the Dyson SUPERSONIC hair dryer in red and nickel. Because inside the box you can see styling concentrator, the smoothing nozzle, and the diffuser. I'm gonna use a lot of diffuser for my curly hair because I want like give it my curly so pretty and defined. You have to be careful about your hair first of all, because the hair, they can fall and they cannot come back, and then people gonna say like, oh, I don't have a lot of hair and everything like that. Or the shampoo too. It's very a treatment. You have to treat your hair like you eat, like everything like that, because this is so important, the hair. If you are very picky about hair, of course, but it's so important because it's the health too. You have to take care about your hair, like a great shampoo, the great product for your hair. Don't put it all kind of stuff and then wow, you're gonna feel amazing. You need some treatment every day, not like only when you go to the salon. You're gonna be like, okay, today I wanna feel like my hair look like so smooth, so like it's like the same thing of makeup, we can say, because people who wanna have like a beautiful face, full face, like a J-Lo dewiness without acne, but you don't care about your face every day, you don't wash, you don't put moisturize and everything like that, we're gonna feel and you want, and one day like you're gonna look like Beyonce. No, it's not make sense. This course I take it right now, I was speechless. I was, wow, that's so interesting about how the hair can have a lot of impact of yourself, of the health and everything like that. Wow, so totally whatever. For conclusion, your hair needs to be like care, okay? You have to be careful about your hair. Oh my god, so pretty. Look, wow, a beautiful red, and I love the color red. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh, for the price, of course, give me more. And this is like, ooh, oh, wow, oh my god, my first Dyson. Oh my god, this is look like a micro. Oh, I'm gonna shut I know I'm gonna shut up. Don't come to me like haters. The color, it's amazing because it looks like my pills here. Look. Oh my god, so cute. Oh, this one is the tools. Oh, so they have 3 separate here. You have the beautiful diffuser. This one is for curly hair. And this one, well, we're getting the blow dry and everything like that. Oh, oh my god, you can see it. And the other side now. Oh my god. Okay, can I take it off now? Oh, shades. This is luxury. This is good. And now we have to play. We have to see if it's good. Oh my god, I'm so happy when I have it. I know it's a lot of money, but I have a great deal, guys. So when you have a great deal, let's take this opportunity, because me, I was looking for Dyson's be 1 year, and then I'm like, oh no, it's too much, too much. Oh my god, pay that much of money for 3 Dyson. I'm like, no. But with my friend, oh my god, I just texted my friend and everything like that. She said, why you don't do this? And like, oh my god, of course, I just forget it, and I did it, and bang, 1,000 for $100. Can you imagine how much I save money? More than the Sephora like discount, like the 20% off. I never have a big discount about something big. This one is like $4.99. It's expensive for tools for the hair, but if it's gonna help healthy your hair, why not? Because you're gonna see, not right now, but after, you're gonna feel the result about that. You have to be careful about what you put it on your hair, of course. Excellent. So I'm unboxing the 3 Dyson. I just bought it. Hope you like it. Hope you like this makeup, like very natural. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna make 3 different videos, maybe with a wig or maybe with a friend. I don't know yet, but this one is my Christmas for right now. I'm so happy to try it. Finally a Dyson. Let me know if you have one of the Dyson I have, and what you think about this brand. What do you think about what you have it? I really want to know. If I don't respond you, like I told you, TikTok, on Instagram, I'm gonna respond you. I'm more active with that. OsvalDior, of course, on all the platforms. Follow me. I'm gonna follow you. I comment and everything like that. So this is the end of the video, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave message down below, and don't forget, you're beautiful. Oh my god, you're handsome, you're awesome. See you on the next video. I don't know when, because I'm so busy. I'm so sorry, guys, but I'm gonna be here soon. Por favor, don't leave me, because I can catch you right now. Okay, bye. Bye, guys. Bye. See you.